Here's how we made over our laundry room closet for $200. Some of you guys are really upset that we spent $200 on a closet, but let me explain to you everything that we did here. This teal color had to go. The paint came out to be $36 for the whole gallon. It's paint and primer in one. It took 3 coats to cover up. Some of you guys told me that paint and primer in one is a scam. Although it did take a lot to cover, I think it covered pretty great in the end, and either way would have taken 3 coats, whether we used primer and then paint or just paint and primer all together. These cabinets are from a liquidation center. I paid $90 for the pair. Originally from Home Depot, these are $100 cabinets a piece. So I saved $100 on the cabinets and I was really excited about that. I painted the cabinets the same color we used in the bathroom makeover, and if you haven't seen that video, you have to check it out because the bathroom came out so good. This light fixture is from Facebook Marketplace, and I paid $30 for it, originally $60. I thought half off was a pretty good deal, but you could probably find an even cheaper one. We hung the cabinets, and the room started to come together. We went to Home Depot and purchased this sheet of plywood that did the whole timber slats on the walls as well as the floating shelf. This sheet of plywood was $49.88 if we're being exact. And then we had to buy a 2x4 that was $3.89 for the whole 2x4. We needed the 2x4 to create a support for our floating shelf, just so that it was super secure and could hold heavier things. We used a nail gun to secure everything and got started on the timber wall. We used one of the timber pieces to create the space in between just so that everything was super even. This whole project cost $202 exactly. This includes the $10 I spent on the hardware for the cabinets, as well as a retractable clothesline. $200 goes fast, but I think it was well spent here.